Hi there, welcome to the Life Skills Green. Today my aim of making this video is to make you understand how to get high band score in your IELTS speaking by using natural expressions and idioms in your IELTS speaking parts. Here we start with, you have here natural English idioms and expressions. You should notice them and then you can use in your IELTS speaking in the context where they are really essential and necessary while you give your answers in the IELTS exam. Let's get started here. Part 1, Introduction and General Questions. Question: what time do you usually wake up? Answer: I usually wake up at 6:30 a.m. My mornings run smoothly. I am a creature of habit, so everything is quite predictable. Question: do you have any hobbies or interests? Yes, I enjoy painting and reading. I hardly ever paint these days due to my schedule, but when I do, it really lifts my mood. Reading helps me stay informed and relaxed at the same time. Part 2, Cue card. Describe a time when you had to work hard to achieve something. Here you have sample answer. A few months ago, I worked extremely hard to improve my English speaking skills for the IELTS exam. I was aiming for band 8, so I knew I had to put in extra effort. Initially, it was tough. I struggled with vocabulary and pronunciation. I almost gave up at one point, but then I changed my mindset and gave it everything I had. I stayed up late night after night, practicing with online tutors and watching native speakers. There were moments when I had to start over from scratch, especially when my progress felt slow, but I kept at it. When I finally got my desired score, I was absolutely thrilled. It proved that persistence pays off. Part 3, Follow-up questions, abstract and opinion. Question: do you think hard work always leads to success? Not always, but it definitely increases your chances. Sometimes even when you give it your all, things might not go as planned, but at the end of the day, consistent effort usually pays off. Question: what challenges do people face when learning a new skill? One big challenge is motivation. People often feel discouraged when they don't see immediate results. It's easy to lose focus and feel like starting over. That's why staying consistent and asking for help matters. Question: has technology changed the way people learn today? Answer: absolutely. These days, learners get the best of both worlds, flexibility and access to top quality resources. Still, it comes with its own issues like distractions and misinformation.